Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Joey Dots, owner of Delaware Scout Micropigmentation, and today I'm going to do a product review. So for nearly 4 years, this is the machine I was using. It's also Dragonhawk mast, but obviously it's attached to a cord. And I've done thousands of sessions with this machine, great machine. However, why not go wireless? This is the Mast Archer wireless tattoo rotary pen. I've personally been using this for the past year. All right, so this is how the package will come. You have the Dragonhawk mast box. So you have your tattoo rotary pen, extra grips, different types. One's a little bit wider than the other. Me personally, I don't use either of these grips because I'm gonna wrap it up with a bandage wrap anyway. And then you also have your chargers, wireless USB charger. It's pretty simple. It only comes with, looks like 4 or 5 different items. One of the most important features I look for in a tattoo machine is the weight. You're doing a repetitive motion for 2 to 4 hours, thousands of times. If it's too heavy, it's going to weigh on your wrist and your hand. This is about 5 to 6 ounces. It's very simple to use. All you do is stick your needle in, turn it on. The battery life is fantastic. My sessions are usually 2 to 4 hours, and when it's charged at 100%, after 2 to 4 hours, it's still around 70%, and it only takes an hour to recharge. But sometimes you might find an issue where a little chunk of the needle breaks off inside. Don't panic. One way you can clean the inside of your rotary pen is using electronic duster. So all you have to do is take it, get all the debris out. When you're going to put this down for a break, make sure you get the face flat down. Otherwise, it can roll. How much does this machine cost? It's usually under $200 on Amazon, and I've used machines that were $500, $600, $1,200. I really don't see a difference. If you're a new artist, this is a very affordable machine. It's very smooth, very consistent, easy to handle, lightweight, easy to wrap, easy to clean. I highly recommend the Dragonhawk mast for any Scout micropigmentation artist.